In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable explicit content on Apple Music. If you've ever wondered why you can't play explicit songs on your Apple Music, it might be because content restrictions are enabled on your iPhone. Let's walk through the steps to turn on explicit content, ensuring you can enjoy your music without limits. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. This app is where you'll find all the controls you need to customize your device. Once you're in settings, the next step is to tap on Screen Time. Screen Time is a feature that helps manage how you use your iPhone, and it's crucial for adjusting content restrictions. Now tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. This section allows you to control what content can be accessed on your device. If you're prompted, enter your Screen Time passcode. This passcode is important because it keeps your settings secure and personal. Next up, tap on Content Restrictions. This is where you can make specific choices about what type of content you want to allow. It's a powerful way to manage the media that's accessible on your device. Once you're in Content Restrictions, tap on Music, Podcasts, News, and Fitness. Here, you'll find the settings related to explicit content in Apple Music. Now select Explicit, or if your iOS version shows Clean and Explicit, choose that option. This action allows songs marked with the E for explicit to play on your Apple Music. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference in your listening experience. If explicit songs are still unavailable, don't worry. There are a few more things to check. First, restart the Music app. Sometimes a simple restart refreshes the app and applies your new settings. It's like giving your app a fresh start, which can often solve minor issues. Make sure you're signed in with the correct Apple account. This is important because your Apple Music settings are tied to your account. If you're signed in with a different account, you might not see the changes. Verify your Apple Music subscription is active. Without an active subscription, you won't have access to the full range of Apple Music features. If your subscription has expired, renew it to continue enjoying your favorite tracks. Lastly, go to Settings, tap General, then Software Update. Install any available iOS updates. Keeping your iOS updated ensures you have the latest features and fixes, which can affect how apps like Apple Music function. With these steps, you should now be able to play explicit content on your Apple Music. Remember, these settings give you control over what you listen to. It's all about tailoring your experience to suit your preferences. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your music without limits.